Let's thank our Dollar and a Dream members. I am forever grateful. Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. It's art with a heart, and today this heart is overflowing because everything you see here today is made with love for someone incredibly special. My granddaughter Ariana, who's turning 21 years old. And yes, I can hardly believe it. Each one of these bottle openers was made with Bondcraftor Epoxy Resin. And the idea came from my friend Just Janice. I'll leave her link down below so you can check her channel out. And I added these pens that I found on Amazon because they were so cute and quick and full of sparkle, just like Ariana herself. I would like to thank all those who left me blessings this past month. I am deeply grateful to each and every one of you. Now, let's get into something a little deeper. Let's look at the stars and some numbers that help shape this amazing young woman. Ariana was born on June 19th, 2004, and that birth date carries some incredibly powerful energy. Her life path number is a 22, and that's not just any number, it's a master number, the master builder. This means that Ariana has a rare combination of visionary thinking and practical power. She's not just a dreamer, she's someone who can make things happen. She's meant to build something lasting in this world, something meaningful. But that also means she'll feel pressure. She may hold herself to high standards and feel like she has to be everything to everyone. And my advice to her, let yourself breathe. You don't need to do it all, not all at once. Just take it one true step at a time. Astrologically, Ariana was born on the Gemini Cancer cusp, what's often called the cusp of magic, and magical she is. Gemini brings her a quick wit, curiosity, and communication. She can read a room in seconds. Cancer adds a deep heart, the emotional intuition, loyalty, and love. She's a blend of intellect and empathy. She can make you laugh and cry at the same time, and then turn around and tell you she bought you cookies. Let's look back at some of Grandma's reflections. Can she really be 21? Because I swear it was just yesterday I was in that delivery room with your mom. I remember hearing your first cry, watching the nurse clean you up, and of course I had my Canon Rebel with me, snapping every little moment I could. Not the birth part. We left that to the imagination. Your first bath, your first little stretch, your first tiny fingers. I took photo after photo, and I still have them all. I even caught the iconic "Live Long and Prosper" sign. You flashed without even knowing what it meant, though somehow I think your soul did. Every visit to California, every birthday, every new adventure, I tried to capture it all. But I missed a lot too. Being far away back then, there was no FaceTime or cloud storage or smartphones. I even bought one of those early webcams, but it was never quite easy enough. It was dial-up, I think. Technology was a challenge, but love wasn't. That's why we finally made the move across the entire country to be near the grands. And grands you were. From elementary school and your amazing culmination speech to junior high chorus and concerts. Even when I may have taken photos of the wrong kid, I tried my best. Remember Oklahoma? You were dazzling. I still go through those photos sometimes, reliving those moments. Universal Studios and Harry Potter Land, the museums, the butterflies and the dinosaurs, In-N-Out and McDonald's fries. And then COVID and the great interruption. It stole so much time. Time we can't get back. But we made it through. And here you are now, a college girl, 21, a full-grown woman with the world ahead of her. And I thought I'd get to see you this year. I had plans in my head, but my body don't always cooperate. Still, every time you came down, it made my world brighter. We still get to shop, eat crabs and clams, though it seems Grandpa has more stamina than I do these days. I'm usually the one sipping coffee on the sidelines. And now that you're 21, I want to leave you with something lasting. A few lessons from a woman who's lived through 7 decades, from New York City stoops to the dreams of Hollywood. From payphones and chalkboards to smartphones and live streams. Some of this I've lived, some I've learned the hard way, but all of it I share from my heart. Always be kind to yourself. You're gonna mess up, learn from it, don't wear it. Speak your truth. Never shrink to make others feel comfortable. Respect your friends. Honor your word. And if someone betrays you, don't seek revenge. Seek peace. Walk away with your head held high. You won't keep every friend. That's okay. Some people are only with us for a season. The ones meant to walk beside you, those are the ones who show up with love and consistency. You're brilliant, Ariana, but brilliance don't replace effort. You still have to work. Dreams don't plop into your lap. You chase them. Use all the crayons. Don't be afraid to make mud. If you do, wipe the page and start again. You'll always get to start again. Life is a canvas, and it will be as big or as small, as bold or quiet as you choose to make it. And when you're ever unsure, just pause, take a breath, and ask yourself, what would Grandma do? So there you have it. A table full of sparkle, a heart full of memories, and a future full of color. Happy 21st birthday, my beautiful Ariana. The world is yours, and I cannot wait to see what you do with it. So take a look at these beauties, each piece completely unique, hand poured, designed with care, and finished with love. What do you think of them? From shining bottle openers, embedded with flowers and gears, to colorful pens that sparkle with every turn. No two are the same, just like the people we make them for. I'd love to know which one speaks to you. Is it the bold and glittery? Is it the soft and pearlescent? Or maybe the ones that remind you of a celebration or a summer day? Or a moment shared? Let me know in the comments below. And while you're there, take a moment to wish Ariana a happy 21st birthday. It would mean the world to her and to me. And don't forget to make a new friend today. Take a minute to reply to a kind comment. Visit a fellow creator. Spread that joy. That's what community is all about. I'd like to take a moment and thank you for watching, my friends. I'll list all the products down below and any discounts I may have. Join our Dollar and a Dream membership for behind the scenes from Hollywood and weekly love from me to you. It's where art meets emotion, where resin tells a story, where every video is like a warm hug. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Ice You Crafty Kids Club, the Paper Queen, will be following me next.